This is part 2 of the same video we were watching. We're on page 42, talking about histograms, okay? So histograms are these tall little, they have bars on them. Let's just label this so it's easier to answer those questions. How many students scored between 51 and 60? 2. How many between 61 and 70? 5. Here is 8. Here is 12. And here is 6. Okay, so we're going to use those questions. Let's see. How many students total took the test? We'll just add them all together. So 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 12 plus 6 should be 33. How many students scored at least 71? At least 71. Okay, you add those numbers together, you should get 26. How can you determine the highest grade? Can you determine the highest grade from the histogram? They only give us ranges. It ranges from 91 to 100. I don't know if those 6 kids got each at 95 or 93 or what, so no, I cannot. Let's label this one out so you can answer those questions. 4 right here, 10, 5, just 2. So that's 1. That's a 1. 2, 2, and 2. How many movies grossed at least 141 million? At least. It's a key word, okay? At least. So that'll be everyone from here, okay? If you add all those up, you should have 12. How many movies grossed between 61 and 180? So where's 61? 61 is here, and 180 is here. Okay, how many grossed between? So that's going to be 19. Okay, can you determine how many movies grossed between 121 and 140? 121, where is that at? Did I cross it out? No, because that's not even a category, so no. Okay, click over this last one, and I'll tell you what to do in your homework, okay? That's it. Alright, we're on page 43. 43, we didn't go anywhere. Alright, this is a box plot. Let's answer these questions. What is the interquartile range? Remember I said that's the box. Alright, so we do 30 minus 20, so it is 10. Okay, what percent of the cars have a fuel efficiency greater than 20? 20 is right here. Greater than is this way. Remember each box is 25, 25, 25. That's 25 too. So 75%. What percent of the cars have a fuel less than 26? 26 is here. Less than is this way. Box, 50%. Okay. Number 7. Identify the lower and upper quartiles. This is LQ. This is UQ. So LQ is 3.5. UQ 6. What percent of laptops have a battery life of at least 6 hours? At least 6. That's so important. This word is so important. That means it has to be more than that. So at least 6. 5.5 is not at least 6. So it's everything over, kind of like over here. That is 25%. Remember 25, 25, 25. How many laptops have a battery life less than? Again, another keyword, less than. 4.5 is right here. Everything less is this way, 50%. Okay, we got 2 more. Identify the min and maximum values. Well, that's easy. Min here, max here. Min is 68. Max is 79. What percent of golfers have at least had scored greater than 70? 70 is right here. So it's greater than. Another keyword. Remember 25, 25, 25. So 75%. In order to advance to the next round, golfers cannot score above 72. How many? I need a number of golfers. I need a number of golfers as my answers. Okay. Cannot score above 72. 72 is right here. So cannot be above. So everything over here is below, can't be above, so that's 75%. So 75% of the golfers can't move on, but they want to know an exact number. So, okay, I can take 75% of the total golfers. So we're going to do, no, there's a little way. 75 or 0.75 times 50 will equal approximately, right, 38 golfers. Last question, what is the difference in the median score of Mr. Athens class and Mrs. Gilman's class? Median, remember, is that line. So the median for Athens is 80 minus Gilman's, which is 75, so just 5. Which class has a greater range of scores? Remember, the range are the arms, right? Because it's the min and max. Obviously, Athens is way bigger, so Athens. What class do you feel did better overall, and explain? Well, being that the lowest score for Athens class is 45, I would say they probably didn't do that well. Their lowest score for Gilman's was 60, so at least everybody passed the test. So Gilman's min score is 60, so at least, so everyone passed. Gilman's minimum score is 60, so everyone passed. Okay, that includes the notes part of it. I want you to turn to what your homework's supposed to be. If I can find it. That was the last one. The last page. This is the last page in your... No, it's not. That's not it. Second to the last page in your packet. Okay. I have another video where I label this, so go find that video. I label all of this for you, and then you're going to answer these 5 questions and make your own box plot. Okay? Thank you.